Hey y'all, popping up these crabs. Yes. Yeah. I love these.
Yeah.
I got some dip going. He got his vinegar.
Homemade
Popping
dip.
up these legs. Let's see how meaty these joints are. I don't know how meaty they will be, but oh, that's a good one. That tastes good. See, this is a good one.
There you go.
Well, this one ain't that meaty, baby. I'm getting out all that junk that you don't want. Dead man fingers on the side. You got a good deal for this half a bushel. They could have been a little bit more meaty, but they are pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to complain at all. Because they are, so good. Yes, yes indeed. About to dip this. Oh, yeah. Look at all that meat there. Oh, yeah, yeah. I got it all over my mouth. Alice, go ahead.